Hello, in this lesson, we will discuss about modal. We talk about modal in verb section, but its use case is huge. So I decided to make a separate video for modal. Let's start. It is an auxiliary verb and it expresses ability, permission, possibility, obligation, and necessity. Can, could, may, might, etc. used as modal. Now we'll talk some modals and their use cases. Can, to express some ability, like he can run fast. For informal permission, you can use my car. If you give permission to your friend, as it means informal permission, you can use can. For informal request, like you are requesting something from your friend, then you can use can. Can I take a pen? Could, to express past ability, like he could run fast. Once upon a time, he could run fast, but now he can't. In this case, you can use could. For polite request, could I borrow a pen? For 50% certainty, like if you certain something about half, then you can use could. He could be at library. May, for polite request, may I borrow a pen? For formal permission, in some official case, you can use may, like you may go now. For less than 50% certainty, like he may be at library. Might, less than 50% certainty, you can use might. He might be at library. Must, for strong necessity, I must go now. For prohibit, like you must not open the door. For prohibition, you can use must. For 95% certainty, you are almost certain about something, then you can use must. He must be sick. Should, to advise someone, you should study today. Expectation, you're expecting something from someone, then you can use should. You should do well in the exam. Would, for polite request, would you please pass the salt? For preference, like I would like to take coffee. You can add it, I would like to take coffee rather than tea. For unfulfilled wish, like I would have traveled Europe. You never been visit in any country of Europe, then you can use unfulfilled wish for would. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my videos, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe.